Hello everyone, and welcome back to my 100 day in Vlog challenge. So we live in a time everything moves fast, fast food, fast success, and everything fast, fast everything. Ah, we scroll through social media and see people your age doing incredible things, graduating, traveling, building business, and we think, why not me? Yes, why not me? But here's the truth, real growth takes time, and sometimes its most beautiful things grow in silence. Seeds grow underground before they ever reach the lake. You don't see their progress, but that doesn't mean nothing happening. That's how your growth works too. You might not see it yet, but every small effort, every quiet struggle, every lonely night you keep going, it's all adding up. You don't need to rush your journey just because someone else seems ahead. You are not late, you are on your own timeline. Patience is not weakness, it's trust. It's believing that it's believing that what you are building will come to life at the right moment. So breathe and showing up. Celebrate small wins even if no one noticed them. You are become someone you will be proud of, slowly, silently, and beautifully. And one day, you look, one day you will look back and realize the waiting, the wondering, the confusing is well are preparing you, and you just needed time, and that's okay because growth that lasts always takes time. So maybe that's all for me, and see you in the next vlog.